Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set color tune in Vivo Y19. If you're using Vivo Y19 and now you want to set your own color tune, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for sounds and vibration. Just tap on it, and after that you just have to scroll down, and here you will get the phone ringtone. Just tap on it, and here you have a list of caller tunes. You can easily select one of them for sim 1 or sim 2 which you want. But if you want to set your own ringtones, just select custom ringtone, and here you will get the audio section of your phone. Here you can easily select the one of your own musics. So that's how you can easily select your own color tune. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.